Hello and welcome to Brickworks Discovery Series. In this episode, we talk to one of our leading architects about creating homes using bricks.
Well, my name's Matt Gibson. I'm an architect and we have an architecture and interior design business in Melbourne, and we do predominantly residential projects. I love those two disciplines of interior design and architecture coming together. I think brick is a material that has standard the eons, but I think architects are now doing kind of more exploratory things with brick, which is making it more and more appealing for architects to use. Whether inside and outside, brick's continuing through, so it becomes an internal material and is contrasted against timber or steel or concrete for that matter, or externally, whether it's with other materials and landscape for that matter. It's robust and it's maintenance friendly, it's ultimately sustainable, but also it's about creating a texture. I think we're moving towards a period where it's all about the craft and the texture, and brick brings all of those traits. It's a go-to, it's a tried and tested material, but it's also this delectable kind of thing that, kind of like a box of chocolates or something, what can I do here? We never think about it as a cost factor because it's about the value that it brings, it's about that kind of long-term value, and it's about what it's doing in that particular project and for that client. You've got to think beyond just the cost. I think it's about a kind of a long-term solution. A project that we did in Melbourne recently, an A1 listed heritage terrace house, where we removed some parts of the building. What we did remove, we re-salvaged and reused in kind of reinterpreted ways. So we used brick where it wrapped from wall into roof and became floor material. It was used in non-traditional ways. The new bricks that we did use were linked in with those bricks so that you really couldn't tell the difference. In some ways it'll remain the same. It's reliable, it's a go-to material, it's kind of foolproof, it's a safe bet for architects. Where it's going, I guess technology is changing and evolving. Through technology, you're seeing more sculptural forms being made. Perhaps that will, as technology progresses, maybe that can be used in a more kind of everyday side of things as well. I went to the architecture conference recently in Sydney, and MVRDV presented this amazing building, the Chanel building, and it utilised glass bricks to be a load-bearing wall but also be a see-through kind of transparent structure, which is very different for bricks.
For more information and inspiration, visit homebybrickworks.com.au and work through all our free information and tools to help you build your dream with brick.